Good morning, everybody, and it is Christmas Eve. So I'm sitting down on the boat dock having some coffee. It is so relaxing down here because you can hear the waterfall from the infinity edge on the pool. Mom and Dad just built this dock right before Christmas, and it looks stunning. Or they had it built. They weren't out here building it themselves. And sitting here and looking down the canal is just so gorgeous and therapeutic. It is really amazing. So we are about to get ready for Christmas Eve dinner. We got a lot of things to cook and prepare, and then we gotta get ready for Christmas because that's tomorrow. But time to celebrate the true meaning of the season, which is the birth of Jesus Christ, and really enjoy this time of year with family. You excited for Christmas? You excited for Christmas? Juliet's eager to open presents. She already started gnawing into one of them, so we had to hide it. Mom's getting the dips out and her dessert.
The ones I left out all night. Ready, Frank?
And what are y'all making?
This is sweet corn. There you go.
Nice. Whoa, that looks so good. Good job, guys.
Yeah, and Dad's the chef. I just did it. I'm the cook.
Alarms. Okay, it's sunset here in Cape Coral, and we're headed down to get a photo. See? All right, let's go. Oh, it is so gorgeous down here. What do you think, Mom?
The reflection of the clouds in the water.
Oh, I know.
It's phenomenal. Look at that.
It is. Like the clouds are beautiful and orange. You can see the palm trees in the distance with the sun setting. Let me show you guys. Wow, that is just breathtaking. I tell you what.
It smells like a mirror to the sky.
It is. The dock y'all built is just really amazing.
Really gonna enjoy this dock.
Oh yeah, the best place to sit and watch the sunset.
Yep.
We tell everybody to come down for the family photo, and Dad comes down with a prop. His fishing rod.
Something swirling there.
Dad's like, family photo? Nah, let me fish. But hey, that's what this dock is for.
Will you get a picture with my camera in there?
Yeah.
The two of us.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now how do I do a timing thing on it, guys? You want to add these condiments to the sides are over here.
Wow, good teamwork.
This is the corn on the cob. And do you have another small bowl?
What do you think about all this, Dad?
I like it. A long time coming today.
Mom's busy at work. Bootsy, so badly wanting a smack roll. You just ate.
some turkey. I know your favorite. And cornbread.
Thank you, Mom.
You're so welcome.
Oh.
Delicious. They turn around, Daddy.